Hello, my name is Pim Koeslag. I'm Technical Director and Master Watchmaker of Frederique. Today I would like to present to you the Highlife Perpetual calendar manufacture, which is a very complicated movement with an iconic design. The Highlife Perpetual calendar manufacture was launched in 2020. Highlife is the revival of a legendary line, part of an historic collection. Perpetual calendar describes a level of complication which only a few brands can access. A level of technical mastery acquired over the course of more than 30 years of watchmaking experience. Manufacture is meaning that our movement is developed, produced and assembled in-house in our workshop in Geneva, Plan-les-Ouates. The beautiful, iconic design and the integrated bracelet of this watch is inspired from the historic collection which is called Highlife and was introduced in 1999. The Highlife Perpetual calendar manufacture is characterized by 3 counters: the day at 9 o'clock, month and leap year at 12 o'clock, and the date at 3 o'clock. A moon phase at 6 completes the set. 3 different variations are already available. The first is characterized by a 2-tone styling, combining steel and rose gold plating on the bezel, bracelet and crown. Out of the silver decorated dial comes rose gold plated hands and index hour markers. The timepiece is also supplied with a textured brown rubber strap featuring a rose gold plated buckle. The second version has a navy blue dial with silver hands, the same color as the hour markers. The original steel bracelet is complemented by a second blue rubber strap with a steel pin buckle. Finally, the third version comes with a black alligator leather strap, complemented by a second rubber strap also in black. Modern and refined, this timepiece features a silver dial, hour markers and hands, filled with luminescent material. This collection is powered by the manufacturer FC775 caliber, which is a self-winding mechanical movement, beating at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations an hour. It has a power reserve of 38 hours. Its beautiful perlage and Côte de Genève decoration can be seen through the sapphire crystal caseback. I will show you how to use your Frederique Highlife Perpetual calendar manufacture. First of all, your watch is an automatic watch. That means that the rotor is moving while you move your wrist and is winding your watch automatically. To set the perpetual calendar functions of your watch, the first thing to do is to set the hours and the minute hand. You can pull the crown and then make sure that you are at noon and not at midnight by checking if the hand of the date is moving. Now we see that it did not move. That means that we are around noon. We should keep the hands around noon at this time, just to make sure that we cannot damage the calendar functions. To do the adjustment, you can use the pin that comes with the watch. This pin is made to push in the pushers at 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and the moon pusher here at 5 o'clock. We start the adjustments with the moon phase. By pushing the pusher, you can see that the moon phase is moving. You can adjust it according to the real moon. Then the second thing to do is to adjust the date. This is the corrector pusher at 10 o'clock. Now we push it and you can see that the date is changing, but the day is changing as well. But right now we have to focus only on the date. You set the date accordingly, and the second thing is that you have to change the day accordingly. Then finally, the 12 o'clock counter indicates the month and the leap year indicator by the small hand indicating 1, 2, 3 and L of leap year. By pushing the 11 o'clock correction counter, you can adjust both hands. Please turn it until you have the correct month and leap year. Then your watch is ready to wear. Your beautiful Frederique Constant Highlife Perpetual calendar manufacture comes with a stainless steel bracelet and an additional rubber strap. To exchange the bracelets, you can actually, first of all, open the folding clasp. Then you see here the quick release pins on each side of the case. Pull them towards each other and take off the bracelet. Now the other side, the same mechanism. Push them together and the bracelet will come off. Now we can put on the additional rubber strap. Push the two quick release pins together and click it on. Then the other side, same thing. Push them together and click it on. Now you can see how easy it was, and you can see also that the style of your watch completely changed. With a starting price of less than 9,000 euro, this perpetual calendar manufacturer stays faithful to the DNA and the values of Frederique Constant by letting more people enjoy luxury.